Just chilling about the phone.
That has to
I'm
be.
a bitch pushing.
Alright. It's looking like a call. I see the 30-minute on SPY trending to the upside, bro.
Yeah, I see it.
In the 30, I trust. If I must. And in the 30, I trust. Take these out. I had to go back in the weekly to find some new levels, man. Had to come back all the way to 2021. See what I find. Let's see, 2021. We
That's
got,
how I felt trying to chart on the 30 minutes to try to find like my entries. And I had to go back like months.
yeah, sometimes what you gotta do, you gotta go back in time. Let me go. Let's get some levels set on SPY back here now. These are gonna be weeklies. Looks like it has a little level right around here. Make this yellow. And then we get another level after 462. Probably gonna reach another level of resistance right around here. Yeah, right around here. The bottom of that candlestick and the top of that one. So 466. And then definitely right here. What you say, G?
Yeah, I'm looking like it could run up today. But shit, Apple and Microsoft still not cooperating. It's not gonna run up without them.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. All right. So I got some higher levels put in. Let's go back to the future now.
No, but Microsoft pushing up, you know.
Let's open up. Let's look at the levels now. Now we got something to work with here. Let's see. 462.14. I can see jumping in the call and riding into that level if you want to make a trade today. Here, let's simulate it. Let's put it in.
This is price, what's this say, 460.80?
460.84. Yeah.
No way.
Let me look at the 3 minute. What's happening in the 3 minute? The 3 minute breaking up, 5 minute pushing up. Okay. Yeah, it's like a good time to enter a call right here. Man, that thing jumping now.
Right.
Get the call. Get the call.
I'm on the call right now, brother.
I'm about to grab one. Let me see. I usually don't do this, but let's see.
Apple and Microsoft catching strength right now.
We're gonna get the 462 call. And that's what we're gonna do. That's it and that's all. 462 call. We taking profit right at 461.90. I'm up out of there. 461.90. I'm gone. Alright, so orders in. Let's get that order in. There we go. Let's get that order.
All right, let's see what it do. We in there.
Let's see what happened, Captain. The 15 coming in the string. 5 is holding the string. The hourly, what's the hourly look like? Okay, the hourly lining up, about to cross over the 4 hour. Okay, the 4 hours in string. What's the daily look? Okay, the daily's coming back in the string.
The 30-minute VWAP about to touch.
The weekly still holding string. Okay, listen, man, it's looking all right. It's looking like we got. Listen, the technical's on our side. So if something goes wrong, it's not because we made the wrong trade, man. Like, we may have gotten a little late. We probably could have gotten that 460.40. Like right here was consolidating, but it's all right. I'm looking to take profit right here. It's a reverse position. I'm gonna add take profit. Why won't let me add take profit? Oh, there we go. Take profit, man. 462. So 461.90. That's it, right? That should go off. 461. And we'll do a stop loss if it pulls back below 460. 460.10 would be the stop loss. Alright, there goes the range. Take profit up here. Stop loss down here. Everything that happens in between, I'm not going to get too emotional about. As long as it's going to hit one or the other.
Right.
You know? I could do a little chop all day, choppy dance. I'm not going to let my emotions get too tied up in the chop dance. Because that's what happens sometimes when you start adding to a position or closing a position out when it never really hit your stop loss or it never hit your take profit. So I'm just going to try to trade like this more often. Eliminate some stress. But while that's going on, let's look through the markets here. You have a Bitcoin pullback. I want to set some level on some crypto coins, so let me open up coin market cap. Yes, for those watching on YouTube, if you're not enrolled in the Culture Shock School of Investment, we have classes for you teaching you how to understand the crypto market and the basics of options trading. Enroll today. Holiday prices will not last past New Year's.
That shit pushing up now.
Alright, so we got Bitcoin. What coin do I want to chart? I want to get some levels on Solana, which I believe I put some levels in the other day, if I'm not mistaken. Nope, no levels in on Solana, so we get to chart Solana. Let's look at Solana.
I'm 10%. I got my finger on the trigger.
Gotcha. Listen, I got to take profit, and when I hear that ring ring, then I'm getting out. I'm not even going. It's going ring ring or boom boom, and either one I gotta go. So I'm just gonna wait for that sound to ring off. But alright, so Solana. Oh shit, I do got some levels on Solana. Look at this. I'm a charting fiend. When did I make these levels? Damn. Okay. So, if I had been looking at my levels on Solana, I would have saw it consolidating at this level right here at 1987. And it consolidated around that level. Between 1987 and $27, it stayed in that range from July 2023 all the way up until October. It broke out that range in October. If I had my eye on this, I would have saw that breakout happen. And then you could have started taking a risk by buying in and seeing if it was going to continue to rally. And you would have been getting in at right at $30. And it's at $69 right now. So that's 100+% gain on Solana. All right. How about, let's look at any coins y'all want to look at. Y'all let me know. I'll look at some levels. Let me pull up Cardano. Let's see what Cardano's saying. Cardano's at 54 cents right now. That thing is down. But it has been on a nice rally in the last few weeks. So, let me see. Let me look. I thought Cardano was higher than this at one point. Oh no, Cardano, the highest Cardano got was 291. Wow, okay. Okay. Let's chart some Cardano then. Let me throw some socks on. It's a little chilly out here. A little cold, man.
Yes. one jumped up 70% overnight. Like, you hear me? Can y'all hear me?
Yeah, I think he stepped away. What jumped 70%?
Saitama, do you know about Saitama?
No, I don't. What type of company is that?
It's a crypto company. It's
Okay.
a very extremely risky play. Extremely, but this shit jumped, and I had it. I put the Saitama a couple of years back, and it made me a nice. It made me a nice little bag. It's one of those risky meme plays, but it's one of the strongest meme coins out there.
Okay. The only crypto I've been into is like Ripple or Dogecoin, Shift.
Right.
Kind of like all the hype coins for real.
Those are a little safer. Yeah. It's called still pushing. I'm about to get out of this soon.
Call, trying to watch my position.
Right.
Alright, I'm back. I had to go change, put on some warmer stuff. It's a little chilly out here, man.
Yeah, it got cold this morning.
Yeah, it got a little breezy today. Hold on, let me see something. Oh, you know what it might be? Is this working fine? We're good here? Alright, cool. Had to go put the Land of Culture hoodie on, man. Warm up. Alright, so y'all can see my screen? Y'all can see the chart? Alright, cool. Vic, what's going on, my guy?
Just crunch savings numbers going into next year.
What numbers?
Savings.
Oh, savings? Okay.
I'm about to get out this call, man.
You out already?
I'm about to.
Nah, we ain't hit my take profit yet, man.
After that, I'm about to take my 1.30% and get up out of there.
Y'all getting nervous. Y'all getting nervous by this not breaking this high right here? Is this where the nerves are coming in?
Yeah, because it's playing hopscotch with that area.
But is it... Let me see. Alright, if we go through a pullback, I could sit through a pullback, like I said, down to my stop loss. So if you're not willing to sit in and play that range, then yeah, take your profit. But I'm willing to play a range. Let me see, the first support we should catch is right around here. Y'all can see the chart, right? The first support we should catch is like right around here on the pullback. Let me see. Yeah, right here at 460.85. No, sorry, 460.57. That's the level of support. So as long as we can have a pullback to there, that's fine. As long as it doesn't crack that so fast, it should be able to hold this level. What is Apple doing though? Apple. Oh, this is the weekly I'm looking at. Let's go down to the 30-minute. All right. Apple is still in a downtrend on the 30, but it's flattening out. The 15 is coming in the strength. Yeah, you may have to have a little patience. Apple has to close above 192.08. Has to close back above that level before it starts pushing up. I don't got a level above here for Apple. No, I really don't. I gotta put in a intra overnight level right here. I'm gonna put in an overnight level on Apple 194.86. That's where it's probably gonna face a little resistance on its way back up. Actually, it might really hit it right here, 194.50. So if you're trading Apple, 192.08 will need to break for us to keep pushing to the upside. If we go below 191.65, then we're probably gonna keep breaking down. That's the range we're in right now, though, right here. These two levels.
Meta's getting beaten bad today.
But people love Apple, boy. I tell you, something about Apple. People don't like seeing Apple get beat up too bad. You said Meta?
Yeah.
Let's look at Meta. Meta's down 3%. It's catching support right now, though. Change the color of this number. This is annoying. I can't even see this shit. Hold on. All right, there we go. That's better. So the RSI on the 15 on Apple is really low. I don't know if you guys familiar with using RSI, but that relative strength lets you know when something's oversold or overbought. And right now, it's showing Apple to be in oversold territory, which is probably why it's starting to catch support right here. On the 15-minute RSI, you know, this is not some macro RSI like a weekly or daily, but for intraday, it's showing that it's a little oversold right now. And now RSI is this little number right down here. I have in orange. So anytime the RSI gets below, I'll say like 40, and starts getting into the 30 range and the 20s, then it's oversold. Once RSI gets over like 60, then it starts getting into the 70s, 80s. Like RSI over 65 to me is overbought. So anytime you see those numbers above or below that range, you probably want to watch out for a pivot coming in. Yeah, definitely got to watch for a pivot coming in at those points. But SPY call, I'm holding on. You sold, G?
Yeah, I got rid of the call.
They got you right here, didn't they? That red candlestick.
It's still in profit. I still got all the profit. I just ain't trust the action.
Yeah, I know what you mean. When I was saying this candlestick right here is the one that was like, you was like, oh, nah, I don't trust this shit. And that is the only reason why I say I'm trading strictly to my take profit and stop loss right now, because they're good at doing that. They're good at shaking you out with like a quick little pullback candle, but it may not pull back to a stop loss, but you're like, I don't want to lose any of these profits, so I'm going to just take what I got now and run. But then it'll come back. Huh?
Today's Monday, too, so you got to be careful.
Yeah, I was going to say the Monday volatility combined with it, so you got to be extra careful. I don't think we're going to rally crazy, though. Like I said, I think we'll get up to like up here and then reject. Crazy.
What level is above this area right here?
Above this area? What do you mean?
Yeah. What level? above this 461 area.
No, next level I got is like 466.
Right. So
And we got 462. We got 462.14. After it breaks, if it breaks that, you go to 466. So that's the next weekly level I had set for it, and then 470 from there. That's why I said I don't think we're about to push crazy. I'm just trying to play this little intraday momentum. And then, like I said, CPI comes out tomorrow, and the interest rate decision drops this week. So I think a lot of the market is gonna wait for those kind of moves to come in. You know,
right.
they're gonna wait for CPI, and they're gonna wait for the Fed interest rate decision before any real decisive move is made in the market.
Mhm.
So the best time to trade would probably be Thursday morning, honestly. This is a week where you probably will sit out most of the week, where I'll sit out most of the week and just watch, and then trade Thursday morning. But anyway, back to charting. Let's do Cardano chart. Let's go back to the early Cardano days. We'll go back to, came out on here. Well, I got the chart starting at March 2021 for Cardano. And it's the weekly chart. It's a clear support I see right here. So we're going to put that. This is a weekly level. All right, so $1.16. This is the early support Cardano caught. And then it faced the early resistance multiple times right here at 159.50. $1.59. Let's see, we got another level coming in of resistance right around this time.
The hourly looks like it's getting weak.
On what, SPY? Oh, the hourly getting weak? Oh, yeah, I might have to go. Alright, we're getting consolidation was caught on Cardano right around here. This consolidation area, the chart didn't go up or down too much for about, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. Consolidation right at this level. So we'll make that a green level, because if it breaks above there, then Cardano's breaking back out. All right, then it continued to break down. This is a pretty smooth breakdown on Cardano. This shit just went straight down. You have another support level right here. As you can see, we got a few bottom wicks. We got a close right here on this red candlestick. Close right around that level of $1.02. Dollar is psychological level, which is probably why early on it bounced right as it broke $1. It kept bouncing and catching support right here early on these big wicks. Those are weekly wicks too, so that means it was probably down here for a couple of days, then it bounced up the end of the week. So $1 is a psychological zone for Cardano. And you got another little consolidation support loop right here, and then another close at that level right over here. So I'll put a level here around 78 cents. A little more, right about there. Let's come down and search for some more consolidation. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3 weeks hitting in this area right here. 4, this week closed here. So 4 weeks at 60 cents. And some wicks rejected off of there. And then it's found support off of those levels right here at 48 cents. Because you see it touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 weeks have touched that or closed right around this level. Let's keep working our way down. So that was what, 48 cents. Then you have a double top right over here that stands out to me. Does that align with any other level? That aligns with this level right here and the bottom of this candlestick's over here, so that's why the double top right here. So that's going to be another level around 44 cents. Okay. Oh, that's crazy. I didn't even notice the level we set back here for these candlesticks. Look, right here. This is where it's resisting at today.
That's crazy.
That's crazy, right? I didn't even look and notice that until I just came up forward.
Levels don't lie, man.
Levels don't lie, man. They don't tell you what's going to happen, where you're going to see some action. All right.
I had average down on them puts. I'm back in the green. I'm about to get out that bitch too.
What, on SPY?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it could be choppy. You be careful either way. Like I said, I want to see if we're going to hold this support right here, or if it's going to close below it at below 460.57. It's 11:10 right now. Oh shit. What's the volume look like? We have 216,000. Yeah, this is a low volume candlestick right now. Go back to the 15. Let me see what this candlestick look like. Yeah, it's low volume. It could be a pump fake.
We're on the downward trend.
Yeah. It's just the buyers disappeared for a minute. Like there's no buyers on this candlestick right now. Went from 350,000 buyers last candlestick down to 120,000 on this one. The sellers went from 180. They're at like 200,000 right now on this. And I'm thinking it's because we're hitting this high. When we hit that high, people taking profit. A lot of people start taking profit because we haven't been at these levels in a long time. So every time we're making a new high, I think people are gonna start taking profit. Because like I said, SPY hasn't been up here like in a long time. So just the fact that it pushed up here, people were like taking profit. And then more people are starting to buy in. Oh man, SPY's pushing, buying in. It's gonna create this little choppy reaction. And you got people waiting for CPI really to drop before they come in heavy with buying or selling. So, like I said, I'm just gonna play this range. I ain't gonna give myself a headache watching the chart. That shit drive you crazy, boy. If it hit my stop loss, it hit my stop loss. If it hit to take profit, even better. But
I got out of all plays.
You said I'm out of all. I'm out of
I'm out of all plays. And listen, it was a terrible day, and I still left with like a good 7%.
Look at that on a bad day. That's where the discipline comes into effect.
Straight up.
I don't understand why AMD's up and Nvidia's down there.
I saw SMH hit 52 weeks high earlier as well. Semiconductor, yeah, SMH, here it goes. Look at them, they're pumping. VanX Semiconductor. I don't even have levels for them up here. Let me go to their daily chart. I feel like I definitely set levels for this company. Yeah, they just broke above the level. So I have to set new levels for them. Could do that really quick. Support. And actually another support right here.
What day is the market gonna be closed around Christmas?
I don't know. I gotta look because Christmas is during the week, isn't it? Woo! Look at AMD taking off, boy. AMD is making moves. Oh, SPY like it's trying to break down here. What's Apple doing? Go to Apple on the 30. Apple's still holding that weakness on the 30. It's getting towards the lower half of that range. Might be time to go. Yeah, they know exactly where my stop loss is, don't y'all? Don't y'all? Yeah, heavy downside volume kicked in. That downside we was talking about with Apple and Microsoft this morning, pulling down on SPY, like it's just starting to take its effect now. Let's look at Microsoft. Microsoft probably pushing down too. Yeah, Microsoft was catching some strength earlier. Then they hit this resistance at 370. They weren't able to close above that. Womp, womp, womp. Let's look at the heat map. Yeah. All the big name companies are suffering today. Eli Lilly's down. Amazon down. Nvidia down. Apple, Google, Microsoft. But the smaller names are doing okay. The smaller names are doing okay. Look at this, bro. It's playing with my stop loss. What if it bounces right back up? That's gonna be crazy.
That's why I stay away from Mondays. They be playing.
They be playing with you. I don't like it. I don't like games, man. Let me see. Let me see what this option is looking like. Alright, we down 15% right here. So that means that the stop loss will probably be down 20. Catch support. Look what
Hey, let's go ahead and hit that 462.
what they do in the videos when they be blowing at the chart, trying to blow the candlestick up, like go up. Like, that's how I'm feeling right now. It's right by my stop loss. Come on, don't hit stop. Don't hit my stop. Do not hit my stop.
That reel you shared on Instagram yesterday, that was all the feelings, man.
That's it. Everybody knows that feeling right there. I feel like that's exactly what's about to happen. See, big red candlestick came. But see, in this video, my stop doesn't get hit, and then we're going to reverse and go all the way up. Alright, so let's go back to Cardano levels. So we got another weekly level on Cardano. I'm going to look in this range right here. Like I caught a weekly support here. For at least 3 weeks it bounced off this level, and then it broke on the 4th week and it broke down to down here. Where we have another level of resistance on the top of these 1, 2, 3, 4 candlesticks. This is going to be a resistance to the upside. It wasn't able to break. And then you got the ultimate support, which is all the way down here. You see it touched for about 6 weeks right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. And then it touched back here on this wick, and then it touched all the way back here at the support level at 24 cents. So Cardano should really not get any lower than 24 cents. Now, this little support, this little resistance right here, we haven't been above this level since May of 2022. It hasn't been above this 60 cents level. So if Cardano could break and hold above 60, oh shit, what the hell did I just do? If it could break and hold above this 60 level right here, then it could start rallying to 78 cents, then back to $1. Because once it breaks this level, this was a heavy pullback it had, because it was at $1.16 before this. Then it had that heavy pullback, and once it pulled back to this level, it tried to catch support, try to push back up again, and it can never get back above 60 cents. So if we break this 60 cents, then we're going to be rallying to almost to $1 in Cardano, and that's like 100% gain from where it's at right now. 50 cents a coin. I like Cardano. Like I said, they're more of a trading kind of play instead of a long-term investment play for me right now as it stands, because of how cheap they are and how volatile. Come on, Spot, catch that string. See what the hourly is doing. The hourly was coming in the strength, and it started to break down. The 30-minute was about to cross over. I don't believe the 30-minute was all the way about to cross over and then we got rejected. I don't believe it. We're going to push. We're going to 462, okay? I don't believe that. I don't believe the 30 could pin a reversal on me like that. It wouldn't do that.
Microsoft to join the party.
Yeah, man. Like, that's the only ones that we gotta wait for. Microsoft, if it could catch support. Microsoft is pulling up on the 30-minute. It can't close below this 368.50 level though. It has to push back above there before 11:30. It has a little intraday support right here. It has that little intraday support line right there. As long as it can hold that and not close below that line of 368, we'll be okay. It'll start to bounce back up. Now let's look at Apple. All right, so let me go back Cardano real quick. So we got weekly level set on Cardano. Any crypto, like I said, any crypto. What the hell, man? Any crypto coin y'all want a chart that you want some levels on?
You know, I'm gonna say Tama jumped 7 overnight.
Saitama? That's what you want to put levels on?
I mean, I feel like
you want to put some levels?
I'm just mentioning it. That's it.
Ah, gee, I think you want to put levels on Saitama. So, all right, let's go put some levels on Saitama, man. Cause G wants to put levels on Saitama. I can tell. I know he does.
All right, come on, let's take it.
Let's take a look at the fraction of a penny. This shit is crazy. These numbers look crazy over here. But all right, let's chart it. Oh, what sound was that? That must have been a stop loss. Yeah, I gotta go.
Yeah, this shit coming down, my boy.
Yeah, I gotta go. They hit my stop. I got to go. I'll take my 20% loss on that trade.
All right, time for the reversal.
And phew, it's gonna take. If that happens, I'm gonna be so pissed, bro. But I'm gonna stay disciplined to the game plan, bro. I'm gonna take my loss. And I'm gonna keep it pushing. If that motherfucker catches support here, though, boy, I'm gonna be pissed.
Where do you think it can support at?
I'm thinking right around this, right where my stop is at, right where it's at right now, bro. Like, it hit my stop, but it hasn't torn through it. Like, right at this 460. 460 is the support. So as long as it don't go below 460, support should hold. But I have my stop at like 460.09.
It just shot the fuck up, bro.
Yo, that's what I'm saying. I didn't sell yet, though. I have my finger on the button. I got my finger on this button, bro, because something tells me that they're trying me right now with this. Because they know the levels. They know the levels just like we know the levels. They know how to manipulate prices at these levels. The market makers.
That's right.
Look, I'm gonna set an alert again right here at 460. And honestly, if it touches that again, I'm really gonna get out. But if this rally holds, if we could bounce back and get back above 460.50, oh, I'm good. I think we're gonna rally. We're gonna take off. 11:30. How are you gonna close 11:30? How do you want to do this? Let's look at the 5-minute. The 5-minute is still in weakness. I need the 5-minute to come into strength, man. The 3-minute is coming into strength a little bit. I need the 5-minute to start catching strength so we can end this little pullback. Let's go, Microsoft. Microsoft. I don't know, man. On the 5-minute, like it's about to cross to the downside. You got your 24-hour chart on for the MACD, or you're using the trading day?
No. 24-hour chart for the MACD. When I'm saying levels, I do trading day.
Okay. Yeah, I'm looking at Microsoft is catching strength on the 3-minute though, so maybe the 5-minute won't cross to the downside. All right, I got my alert in. I'm gonna go back to watching. I'm going back to setting levels. Keeps me calm. All right, so Saitama. Let's look at good old Saitama. Let's set some weekly levels. So the peak of the peak is definitely going to be right here. That's going to be, I don't even know what to call it. I'm just going to call that 30. I don't know. What is that price? We'll just say $39. Okay, we'll frame this as $39. All right, so 39. We got a major resistance up there. Then you got another level right here at 33. And then the final level up there before the breakdown kicks in is going to be right there at 29. Then you get below 29, you get massive breakdown.
Stop playing with our emotions, trying to chart this. These things don't work technical.
I'm charting. Yo, say Tom, what are you talking about? They play off these levels, man. Listen, don't sleep. Everything has levels. Now, how you play the levels and how quickly you could have to play the levels all varies, but the levels are the levels. They will be there. Let me see. All right, 23. Let me change this to more of an orange. All right. Then after 23, we break down. We catch another support right around, decent support right around here at 18. Right around 18 or 19. I'll put it right here, 19. Right below there, you see another consolidation zone right here, and you got some bottom wicks over here that it touches. So this is another price level at 16. Just looking for consolidation and high wicks. All right, we got consolidation back here in this area for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, right around this level. We'll place it at the top of the range to be safe at 13. Then it continued to break down and caught a decent support right here at 10, which is probably also a psychological level. And then it broke down below there, caught support again right here at 9. Then it broke down, consolidated right in this range for about 4 or 5 weeks before breaking down again and reaching the ultimate support. I'm gonna make this the red level down here of 6 cents. And look where Saitama's at now. Who said levels don't matter, man? Look at that. Who said levels don't matter? Look at that shit.
What's the percentage gain from here to the top?
I'll tell you right now. Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna have to shrink the chart back up.
You're closing the 15 and 30-minute candle right now. Right around that 60-50 range you need.
It's right there. Yeah, you close above that 460.50 from me. That's what I need. Where the hell is this thing's at? I know it's in here. Where the hell is it?
The little ruler down measure.
This? It's going to tell you the price? Oh, yeah. Okay, good. From where it's at now.
So about 80%.
Nah, that's the drop, though. We got to look at to the upside. Let me see. It's different. Yeah, coming down is different when you're going up, back up. So about 315%. 315%. Huh? So So 315% upside on Saitama right now. And currently it holds about a 30% downside. I think that's a good risk. Risk to reward ratio. You know, you could potentially lose 30% right now, or you could gain up to 300%. All right. I think that's enough gems for the YouTube channel today with the charting. Let me end that really quick. Appreciate everybody who came through, did some charting with us today. Follow the channel, subscribe, join the Discord, check out the merch shop, get you a culture, Land of Culture hoodie as well for these cold winter days. And look forward to seeing y'all next week for some more charting on Mondays. All right.